The war is well and truly on, and Jamie, Sam Hugan, Claire, Catriona Buffet, and the crew are in the thick of it. Well, sort of. They have actually had to abandon Fort Ticonderoga after the Redcoats attacked and took it over. So Outlander Season 7 Episode 6, Where the Waters Meet, starts with everyone on boats as they make their great escape and the Frasers try to keep everyone alive. Fun and adventure. Once back on dry land, however, it's pretty clear that the stragglers they have brought with them aren't up to the task of hiking through dense woods to avoid the British. One woman in particular, Mrs. Raven, has a serious fear of Native Americans, so young Ian's, John Bell's, presence is a bit triggering. Sadly, when they hear the redcoats pretending to be Indians to try and trick the group, she becomes so terrified that she shoots herself in the head. Claire, who would gone to find her and bring her back to the group, is of course captured. It wouldn't be Outlander if Claire wasn't abducted or otherwise traumatized at least every couple of episodes. She's taken back to Fort Ticonderoga, where the redcoats are milling about, and is put into a glorified pig pen with pretty much zero security or any indication whatsoever that she's even a prisoner. It's bizarre, but we don't have time to think about it because Walter's here. Sadly, he's looking a bit worse for wear and will die by the end of the episode from a pulmonary embolism. Rip, Walter. Nevertheless, Claire seems pretty at home there and even relaxed as she demands food, water, and medical supplies and runs about looking after everyone. Eventually, Ian sneaks in to try and get her out, but when William cottons on to the fact that he's not a scout but a rebel, he's none too pleased. Still, Claire saved William's father's life. Lord John Grey, that is Ian saved William's, he kinda owes it to them to let them go. He does, of course, and this gives him a chance to show just how much he's torn between his head and his heart. Earlier in the episode, he tells Captain Richardson that he's desperate to prove himself and make up for the fact that he failed to deliver the letters in his care. However, it seems like deep down, he knows that maybe the rebels have a point and that fighting for the British may not be the way to go. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out, especially once he comes face to face with Jamie, which is clearly inevitable.